So far, we have understood about various types of welding processes. Now is the time to understand the defects coming in these processes. First is incomplete penetration. Incomplete penetration happens when your filler metal and base metal are not joined properly, and the result is a gap or a crack of some sort. Welds that suffer from incomplete penetration are weak, and they are likely to fail if you apply much force to them. Next is incomplete fusion. Incomplete fusion occurs when individual weld beads don't fuse together, or when the weld beads don't fuse properly to the base metal you are welding. The most common type of incomplete fusion is called overlap. One of the top causes of incomplete fusion is incorrect weld angle or torch angle. Next we have undercutting. Undercutting is an extremely common welding defect. It happens when your base metal is burned away at one of the toes of the weld. When you weld more than one pass on a joint, undercutting can occur between the passes because the molten weld is already hot and takes less heat to fill. Yet you are using the same heat as if it were cold. It's actually a very serious defect that can ruin the complete quality of the weld. Next is slag inclusions. A little bit of slag goes a long way towards ruining an otherwise quality weld. Slag is the waste material created when you are welding, and bits of this solid material can become incorporated into your weld. Bits of flux, rust, and even tungsten can be counted as slag and can cause contamination in your welds. Next we have flux inclusions. If you are soldering or brazing, flux inclusions can be a real problem. If you use too much flux in an effort to float out impurities from your weld, you may very well end up with flux inclusions. Next is porosity. Porosity is eventually some tiny holes in the weld. They can be a serious problem in your welds. Next we have cracks. Cracks can occur just about anywhere in the weld. In the weld metal, the plate next to the weld metal, or in any other piece affected by the intense heat of welding. And last but not the least, we have warpage. If you don't properly control the expansion and contraction of the metals you work with, warpage can occur, which is an unwanted distortion in a piece of metal's shape. Now, with this, we come to a conclusion of this course. We have covered a lot about welding in a very short span of time. Thank you so much. All the very best.